The iBell BS03-06 6.35mm electric screwdriver and contactless tester is a versatile tool for DIY enthusiasts and professional electricians. Powered by a 3.6V Li-ion battery, it offers reliable performance, while the USB micro-B charging port ensures convenient recharging. This electric screwdriver features a wire breakpoint finder and an LED work light for enhanced visibility in dark spaces. It includes 10 interchangeable screw bits, making it suitable for various screw types. With easy handling, forward and reverse modes, and an electric test button for quick circuit checks, the iBell BS03-06 is designed for efficiency. It delivers a no-load speed of 280 RPM and a maximum torque of 10 Nm, making it ideal for tough tasks. Its 6.35mm capacity makes it perfect for household projects and professional work, ensuring precision and durability in every use. It contains one electric screwdriver designed for versatility and ease of use, along with a USB charging cable to keep the tool powered. You'll also find 10 different screw bits for handling a variety of tasks with precision, and a chuck holder to securely hold the bits in place during operation. To begin using the screwdriver, start by charging the tool. Use the included USB cable to connect it to the screwdriver, then plug the other end into a mobile phone charger that provides DC 5 volts and 1 amp or higher. The red LED indicator will show the charging status. Once the screwdriver is fully charged, the LED indicator will turn green, signaling that it's ready for use. To use the screw bits with the screwdriver, start by utilizing the chuck holder, which securely grips the bits for easy insertion and removal. Pull up the chuck to release the current bit, making it simple to swap out. To insert a new screw bit, align it with the chuck and push it in firmly until it fits snugly. If you need to change bits, pull up the chuck again to release the current one, then insert the new bit. Finally, push the chuck down to secure it in place, ensuring the bit remains steady during operation. By following these steps, you can efficiently change screw bits and tackle a variety of tasks with ease. The contactless tester detects live electrical wires from a safe distance, using a blinking light to indicate proximity and reduce the risk of electric shock, making it valuable in hazardous environments. The wire breakpoint finder locates breaks in wiring by signaling circuit discontinuity when nearby. Together, these features enhance troubleshooting efficiency and ensure safer, more effective repairs. Using the iBell BS03-06 electric screwdriver, we demonstrate how to loosen and fasten screws on a CCTV recorder. We begin by identifying the specific screws that secure the device's casing and internal components, ensuring viewers understand their locations. With the appropriate screw bit selected, we show the technique for loosening the screws safely and effectively. Once adjustments or inspections are complete, we transition to fastening the screws back into place. We emphasize the importance of tightening the screws securely without over-tightening, as this could damage the internal parts of the recorder. This demonstration provides viewers with practical skills for maintaining their CCTV equipment confidently and effectively. The iBell BS03-06 electric screwdriver is designed for versatility, making it an excellent tool not only for home use but also for various professional applications. This screwdriver excels in tightening and loosening screws in lightweight work areas, making it ideal for tasks involving wooden screws, such as assembling furniture or installing cabinetry. Its compact design and ease of use allow for effective handling in tight spaces, ensuring you can access hard-to-reach areas without difficulty. Additionally, this screwdriver is well suited for working with pop board screws, commonly found in temporary constructions or lightweight structures. The tool's adjustable torque settings and no-load speed of 280 RPM ensure that it can efficiently handle different materials without causing damage. Furthermore, its ability to work with PVC plastic-based screws makes it a valuable asset for professionals in construction, electrical work, and DIY projects. like this and enables us to continue providing valuable resources to our audience. Whether it's through liking, sharing, or subscribing to our channel, every bit of support is greatly appreciated.